Osmotic pressure. In order to understand osmotic pressure, we must know what is osmosis. Then only we can understand the meaning of osmotic pressure. Definition of osmosis: the spontaneous flow of the solvent through a semi-permeable membrane from a pure solvent to a solution, or from a dilute solution to a concentrated solution, is known as osmosis. Next, osmotic pressure. The osmotic pressure of a solution at a particular temperature may be defined as the hydrostatic pressure which builds up when the solution is separated from a solvent by semi-permeable membrane, and which is just sufficient to stop the phenomenon of osmosis. Therefore, this osmotic pressure can be explained by means of an experimental details. Just consider the figure. Here this is a tank in which a solution and the solvent is separated by a semi-permeable membrane. And on the solvent chamber there is a glass tube in which indicates the level of the solvent level, and in the solution there is a piston is provided so that we can apply an external pressure by means of this piston towards this tank or towards the solution. Now, the apparatus consists of a chamber divided into two compartments by a semi-permeable membrane. One compartment is filled with the solvent and the other with a solution prepared in the same solvent. The solution chamber is fitted with a movable piston, while the solvent chamber fitted with a glass tube as shown in the figure. Now let us see how the osmotic pressure we can explain. The driving force for the occurrence of osmosis is actually the difference in the vapor pressure of the solvent and solution. Since the vapor pressure of the solution is less than that of the solvent, the escaping tendency of the solvent from the solution is less compared to that of the pure solvent. Therefore, by applying an external pressure on the solution, the escaping tendency of the solvent from the solution may be made equal to that of the solvent from the pure solvent, and the phenomenon of osmosis can be checked. In the absence of external pressure, osmosis can take place and the liquid level will fall in the glass tube attached to the solvent compartment. As the liquid level in the glass tube starts falling, sufficient external pressure is applied to the solution with the help of the piston to arrest the movement of the liquid in the glass tube. When the liquid level in the glass tube becomes steady, there is no osmosis, and the external pressure applied on the solution is equal to the osmotic pressure of the solution. See, in this compartment, if we allow the solvent and solution, because of this semi-permeable membrane, the solvent molecule will get inside and the level of this liquid will come down. Therefore, without allowing the solution in this glass tube to come down, you apply a pressure here so that this always remains constant. By applying this pressure, that pressure is known as osmotic pressure. Hence, the osmotic pressure can be defined as follows. Osmotic pressure may be defined as the external pressure which should be applied to the solution in order to stop the phenomena of osmosis, that is, to stop the flow of the solvent into the solution when the two solutions are separated by a semi-permeable membrane.